Washington's latest data shows there are racial and ethnic inequities when it comes to getting the COVID-19 vaccine.
Especially among the Hispanic and Black communities. Alex Crescenti joins us in studio with more on what is being done to combat this issue.
It's called the Vaccine Equity Fund. It's an initiative started by All in Washington with the backing of community leaders, including Governor Inslee. The idea is to allocate funds and resources to communities disproportionately impacted by COVID-19 to educate them on the vaccine and to make it more accessible.
We are seeing disturbing disparities among under-resourced populations.
Community leaders say there are several barriers in place, which is making it difficult to inform people and to get the vaccine to them, especially those that don't live near the mass vaccination sites.
Transportation, online access, language barriers, and frankly, addressing the fear that exists among communities because of either misinformation on social media or just lack of access to correct information.
Among those vaccinated right now, 65% are white people, who make up 2/3 of the population. Hispanics make up less than 6% of those vaccinated, but are more than 13% of the state's population. And Black people have only accounted for less than 3% of those vaccinated, but are almost 4% of the state's population. Not only will the Vaccine Equity Fund work to get the vaccine to people, but it will also educate people who may not want it to get it.
Our history is we're somewhat leery of the healthcare apparatus in this nation, but we have to get this vaccine. And so the Ministerial Fellowship of Spokane has been pushing this message.
Officials say this is not a primary state-funded project because of funding into the Department of Health. Instead, it will rely heavily on private organizations to work together to reach all parts of the state.
All right, there.
Governor Inslee says the state has significantly increased the allocation of vaccines to community and immigrant providers. Reporting live in studio, Alex Crescenti, 4 News Now.